Suppose we wish to determine a linear regression and obtain information about the correlation and determination coefficients. Well, here's how. I shall use the following data list for an example. We go under Stat and Enter, and we begin entering in our data values. The X values are entered in first. We hit the right arrow button to go to the second list and enter in the data values there. Now that we have our data entered in, we can construct a linear regression and determine the correlation and determination coefficients. In order to do that, we'll hit Stat, go over to Calc, and then scroll down to the fourth option, LinReg. We'll go ahead and call up L1 as the X list, and then L2 as the Y list, and we'll hit Enter. Now at this point, you can only see the coefficients for the linear regression. We do not see the correlation and the determination coefficients. Well, here's one way to do it. If you go under the catalog by hitting second and 0, and you scroll down until you get to this command, it's called diagnosticOn. And in this case, we'll scroll down a little bit. And we have it right here, diagnosticOn. This command here activates the R value and the R squared value when you do regressions. You only need to do this once. Unless you clear out the memory or reset the memory on your calculator, you will not need to do this again. You will not need to turn them on. So we'll go ahead and activate the diagnostics, and we'll go ahead and recall the linear regression command by hitting second enter a couple times. And now we can see the coefficient of determination, R squared, and the coefficient of correlation, the value of R. And this is one way to obtain these specific values when you do a regression.